Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaza9919 here, and today we're going to be just looking at the windscreen washer pump because it seems to have gone. It's making noise, but there's not much coming out. Now, the problem is when I press the windscreen wash, this happens. Now, it's making noise, but nothing's coming out. So I'm going to check, and it might not actually be the pump, and it could be a case of a pipe not being connected, but I can't see any fluid under the car when I press this, so I think it is the pump. This is the actual part in question. This is the pump for the windscreen wash. This is the one I got from the scrapyard. Hopefully this one works, but we've got to get right up behind the driver's side wing to pull it out. So we've got to take that wheel arch down and get up there and try and unplug this, because it's plugged into the reservoir sort of with a pipe going in like that, and the reservoir sort of hugs around it. So you can do this with the wheel on. It does make it a bit awkward, but it is possible. All we're going to do is just take out that Torx, and there's one just a bit lower down, if you see that back there. They are T25s, and then after we've taken them out, we're just going to push this arch sort of forward. There's a clip here that you just push forward, and it should pop off, and then you just pull it back and just slip your arm through there. Right, so as you may or may not see, just up there is the pump. And we're not getting any pressure. That's our issue. So we're going to have to rip those pipes off and put the new one in to see if that does us any justice. So let's just have a quick check. So we've got the stripy line in the clear side and the clear line in the darkened side. Cool. So here is the offending component, but another problem that I've just found is that there's no liquid coming out as we've removed this, which is connected right to the reservoir. Realistically, it should be leaking out everywhere, but there's barely anything. With it actually being blocked, what we're doing is we're just flushing it through with warm water, and it's, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but where that black bung is, there's something blocking that. Now it seems to be flowing a lot freer than what it did when I initially pulled everything off. But just to be safe, we're just going to give it one more flush through, and then just because I bought one, I put the new pump on, and then we're going to connect both the pipes up, which I remember the solid black pipe is the front, which goes on the dark side, and the one with the white line goes on the back, which is the clear side. I think a spider lived in here at some point as well. Have to be very careful with my hand. I don't like spiders. As you can now see, that is the new pump on. I want to say new second-hand pump that I got from scrapyard. All the pipes are back on. It's plugged into the reservoir, and the electrics are connected. Now we'll just start it up and see if it works. Right, here goes nothing. And we still have nothing. I'll try putting a bit more wash fluid in it, or some sort of fluid, because it could have gone empty with the amount I've drained out, but we shall see. Right, so I've now topped it up a bit. Oh yes, we just didn't have any here. Look at that, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just one more try with the bonnet down and the reservoir topped up. That jet is going all the way over there. That needs sorting. And these jets are aimed down too much. So I've just got to aim these jets. But we've sorted it. It is fixed. And again, that rear windscreen wiper. So we have fixed that issue with the windscreen washer, how it wouldn't work. I'm very happy that it's sorted. I don't know if it was the motor or it was just clogged up. I think it could have just been clogged up, but I was kind of bummed out that I'd bought a motor for nothing, so I thought, no, I am going to put it on in case. But yeah, we've cleared it out, flushed it through with some warm water and that, and then topped it up with screen wash, and it's working a dream. Just aimed the jets up correctly, and it's absolutely brilliant now. It's quite a powerful sort of jet as well, so that's ideally what you want. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, guys. Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaza9919 here.